So if you're getting this following email that says copyright warning PDF, supposedly from YouTube, to your email address, just know that it's a scam and that it's fake. So what they're doing, they're basically trying to phish to have access to your computer to where they can do something nefarious, steal information, whatever. And so what they'll do is they'll go through different YouTube channels and they'll see if you got an email listed under your description or your channel. Then they'll get that email, they'll harvest it, and they'll send it out to multiple people. And then they'll say, hey, you got a copyright strike, you need to look at this Google document. Well, YouTube and Google will never send you a Google document that's related to a copyright strike. That's going to be automatically seen in your dashboard under YouTube. So that's how they'll communicate with you, and they'll also communicate with you through the email address that you have AdSense with. So what I do is make sure in your description on your channel, if you do have an email address, make sure it's different from your Google AdSense account. That way you can make the difference between your Google account and business inquiries. So I have mine for business inquiries. And so what they do is the scammer will take that address and then try to contact you and claim that they're YouTube. Well, they're not. So if you do open up this part where you click on your email address, you'll get like this thing that says copyright warning, blah blah blah. This is a copyright claim. And then what they'll do is they'll say open full report. Well, do not click open full report, and you may have already done that. So what I want you to do is, if you have done that, go ahead and do a full scan with your antivirus on your computer. Restart your computer. Make sure you do a full scan, because and make sure you're not connected to the internet. So just go ahead and disconnect your internet, do a full scan, and then restart your computer, and that should take away any malware that they may have put on your computer. But I can assure you, this is not from YouTube. This is from a scammer.